RichyCustoms checking in once again. Hello everybody. I know it has been a while, a couple weeks maybe, but I'm back. Today we are going to customize the Xbox One controller, not PS4, because I am a Xbox gamer. So if you want to add me below and put the name right here. You see it? Yeah, add me. Anyways, we are customizing this controller right here. These are just grips I got on them, not customized. But yeah, we're gonna paint this whole controller today, and we're gonna make it look awesome, cool, whatever, piped up. You know how we do. Hey, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, RichyCustoms checking again. RichyCustoms checking in once again. I'm back and I'm out. Let's get started.
First thing first, you will need a star tip screwdriver to take out the 5 security screws located in the controller. I will count them out and show you at the end when I'm done unscrewing them all. This is a very important step, which is sanding. You must sand the controller before painting. Therefore, your paint will adhere to the controller. I'm using 120 grit sandpaper to sand the controller. Make sure you sand it all the way around.
Face to face, I found my pain beneath the lies and broken dreams. Lost the love I had in me. It tore me apart, fade away. I felt so lost, but I held on to what I had. For what it's worth, if you're feeling low, just know that you can. Yes, you can. There's life in love that you hold. Rise above and let it glow. Know that it's never too late to make a change.
Now I am beginning to spray paint. Please make sure you do from about 3 to 4 coats.
Beneath the emptiness, wanting more, I let it go. Holding on to love, breaking through, I feel alive. For once in my life, I'ma live.
Now that I have finished my pink coats, I have applied the stencils that I want on my controller. You can order your stencils from me. That's the only source that I know, you know. Please be sure to contact me. I will put my email in the description.
Oh, let it crash and burn. This one for the person who feels alone. This one for the hero who has no home. This one for the one who live for hope. Changing better days. Pick your head up, keep on fighting, living, loving. Make your